Apple put out a new audio feature, and it came out with iOS 14, and it kind of like, it totally slipped my mind. I forgot about this feature when it was that it was announced, because I was curious about it. But it's been a little while, and it finally rolled out, and now my curiosity, it's spiking.
Yeah, it peaked.
It might even peak.
Yeah.
And this is that feature which is going to attempt to give you a greater immersiveness inside of your AirPods Pro. Now, this is especially interesting to me for movie style content, content with sound effects, spatial stuff. And they're doing all kinds of magic, all kinds of software magic, so that when you're watching on your iPad, let's say, and you physically move, it's all correlated to your position in space.
It's like you're in the theater.
Yeah, maybe it is.
In a way, right?
Yeah, maybe you don't need a theater because you have the immersive spatial audio with your AirPods Pro, because you gave Tim all the money that we talked about earlier. Now, not all devices are supported. You will need AirPods Pro, obviously, but then you'll also need an iPhone 7 or later. There's a list of iPad models that are supported, more recent ones. And iOS 14 has to be installed, and you need audio-visual content from a supported app. So I'm going to give you an idea of some of the streaming apps that are going to be good for this. The AirPods Pro will convert 5.1 channel, 7.1 channel, or Dolby Atmos digital audio into a virtual surround experience. This will work with Vudu, Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Go, and Max, Amazon Video. Apple TV Plus app is in there as well. So, I don't know, pretty much everywhere you're going to be watching your movies and stuff like that, it looks to be supported. And according to the initial reports here, this is apparently a very nice, a very compelling experience. So I can say now, having been reminded of this, I'm going to do a video on Unbox Therapy reacting to this spatial audio. I will check out some Netflix. I will check out some Dolby, and I will be in space. Maybe I was going to do it originally with the phone, but now that I'm thinking about it, it should be the big iPad. Or maybe both.
Watch 2001.
2001.
Yeah.
My favorite. And I'm going to move my head around, and I'm going to let you know what's going on. So keep it locked to Unbox Therapy, because I might go film this right after this episode is completed. I might take my butt over there. I might update to iOS 14 and just be in space, spatially aware. Could be very compelling. We'll see. We'll find out.